Assalamualaikum dear viewers. I have Samsung washing machine to repair. Customer said cannot spin. Let's test it. The wash mode. The wash mode is okay. And I stop it. Yeah, I'll set it the spin mode. Spin mode. Then start. Press start. Yeah, there is some of the water. Press start. Then I have to see that drain motor is working or not. The drain motor should be pull the wire. See, I can see this drain motor is not working. Okay, I turned it off. Then now we have to see there's AC bolt present or not. Yeah, but before that we have to lay down the washing machine. So for that reason I have to throw the water. Yeah, just from drain motor you pull the plastic from gearbox, so water will drain. Yeah, you pull it by itself, so you can throw very easy the water, because otherwise if we lay down then water will may go to PCB board. Yeah, this is our drain motor. Yeah, just now I pull it here. Yeah, you can pull just from here, then the water will drain by this way. Yeah, like this, and hold it, then water will drain. So our problem is this drain, hopefully problem is this drain motor, and we have to see there is AC bolt present or not. This both of wire. Yeah, so I'll connect a meter proof, and we have to see there is AC bolt present or not. For this working this motor should be AC bolt there, then only this motor will work, drain motor will work. Let me connect the wire. Yeah, now we'll set it the spin mode. Yeah, spin mode, start. Oh, there's no AC bolt. 62 only. 60 to 65 volt only. AC bolt, there is no AC bolt present. So this problem is from PCB board. So hopefully drain motor is okay, because should be here AC bolt present, then only this drain motor will work. So there is no AC bolt. Yeah, so finally I have found, and this PCB board problem. So I spoke to a customer. I said you have to change this PCB board, or you can use the universal PCB board, and they agreed to change the universal PCB board. Then I have changed the universal PCB board. Yeah, after I have this PCB board has been spoiled. Yeah, so I have modified the universal PCB board, and this is the button keys, key button, and this is the PCB board universal. Next time I will do one video for how to modify